Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, we will discuss what is the SEC up to, and an exciting news of the lawsuit. But before we start the video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Also, hit that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we will upload a new video. For now, let's get back to the video straight away. Cryptocurrency investors continue to watch XRP for the news about the ruling in the lawsuit involving the Securities and Exchange Commission. Shares of XRP rose on Sunday, but have remained steady around $1 as the world awaits a ruling. The SEC has been going after cryptocurrency companies such as XRP this year. The goal is to make sure the crypto companies weren't offering up tokens and insider information before they were legally allowed to do so. In the case of XRP, the SEC sued the company stating a few things. First, the SEC states that the XRP is a security and not a currency. This could place it under securities law in a similar fashion to other publicly traded companies. This comes from Ripple Labs generating and distributing tokens rather than financial institutions adopting the currency. Furthermore, the SEC alleged the company sold those XRP tokens as unregistered securities. The SEC alleged Ripple executives sold 14.6 billion units of XRP for more than $1.38 billion US. This was to fund the company and to pay themselves. Ripple's response. Ripple executives came back stating XRP is indeed a digital asset, like all other cryptocurrencies. It is therefore not a security. There also seems to be plans to unseal documents from 2012 showing that the cryptocurrency company was not offering an investment contract. These documents are set to be unsealed on February 17th, and Ripple executives and counsel remain confident it will demonstrate the flaw in the SEC case. If what the company says is true, then this could be a catalyst for major growth for cryptocurrency investors. Now what? So what would investors interested in the cryptocurrency market do about XRP for now? It seems that since the unsealed documents came into light, there was a boost in share price. However, the volatile market remains risky. And that's a huge hurdle that many would mentally have to get over, and it's not an easy one to jump. While there might be short-term gains in XRP with this SEC ruling, the long-term is questionable. Not only is Ripple one of many cryptocurrency companies, but it's certainly not the largest. It could be faced with the long uphill battle that its larger, more seasoned peers are already climbing. That being said, XRP is crazy cheap. It's jumped 43% in the last year from 69 cents to $1.03 as of now. So a large investment could in fact make you a millionaire with great news. But the reverse, of course, could happen also. Shares plummeted in the beginning of 2022 as the tech and cryptocurrency sectors plummeted, and that could always happen again. The unsealed documents could tell us a lot or nothing we don't already know. But what we're still waiting on is the SEC ruling, and who knows how long that will take. So, it's time to question whether your portfolio can stand this bit of risk or if you need to sideline it for now. True, you might miss out, or you might miss a crash. Only time will tell. At the very least, when it comes to XRP, interested investors may not have to wait much longer. It was a particularly bullish start to the weekend for Ripple's XRP. On Saturday, XRP rallied by 7.11% to end the day at 81 cents. The breakout session ended a 3-day losing streak that had seen XRP retreat from a Wednesday current year high of 91 cents. Crypto market forces, driven by the Nasdaq 100 and market jitters over a possible Russian invasion of the Ukraine, had weighed. SEC versus Ripple progress remains XRP positive. SEC versus Ripple news updates have continued to deliver XRP with much needed support. On Wednesday, updates on the SEC versus Ripple case had been XRP positive. The crypto markets reacted favorable to news of case judge Annalisa Torres granting a number of motions in favor of Ripple. Court documents detail the motions in which Ripple motions were granted and denied. XRP struck its current year high in response before succumbing to crypto market forces. Following the midweek news, Ripple filed a motion late last week to compel the SEC to share meeting notes from a November 2018 meeting between former SEC acting chairman Elad Roisman and Ripple's Brad Garlinghouse. The news delivered support on Saturday. The motion suggests that disclosure of the meeting notes could favor Ripple's position in the case. Other lawsuits yet to gain traction. While the main area of focus is on the SEC versus Ripple case, there have been a number of conflict of interest claims against the SEC. Late last year, report on Empower Oversight filing a lawsuit against the SEC. Empower Oversight alleged that the former SEC officials were biased against Ripple Lab and XRP in favor of Ethereum. To date, SEC Chair Gensler continues to dodge questions on whether Ethereum is a security. Earlier this month, the SEC took another blow, with lawyers representing non-US XRP investors demanding an investigation into the SEC's actions against Ripple Lab. As reported, the petition claimed that the SEC enforcement actions on cryptocurrencies have involved the appearance of improper ties and conflicts of interest among officials and should be investigated. Importantly, the petition also points out that petition attorney John Deaton has compiled evidence that SEC officials may have colluded with outside parties to regulate cryptocurrencies in line with their personal financial interests. Both actions against the SEC focus on the conflict of interest issue that remains a key component to the Ripple case. Following the motions from early last week, the SEC has until 17th of February to make public sealed documents that could shed more light on how the SEC viewed XRP back in 2012. Should the documents reveal that the SEC did not view XRP as a security, it could prove to be decisive. Will Ripple win the case, and if not, what will be the future of XRP? The question made by Nathan Smith on an XRP Army Live session hosted by Scott Powell and Crypto Eerie is what all XRP holders ultimately want to know. In the meantime, attorney John Deaton was able to bring the voice of over 65,000 XRP holders to the court after being granted amicus curiae status, which is a sign that Judge Annalisa Torres wants to know the perspective from retail investors who the SEC officially aims to protect. The special guest on the live session was attorney Jeremy Hogan, who offered his view on many topics, including the SEC strategy, Ethereum, and his own origin story as an XRP influencer. There's no way of knowing. There are 100 points of evidence out there, and we've only seen 5 or 10. So far, the litigation has gone very well from Ripple's perspective, but I've only seen 5 pieces of real hard evidence, he said. Some documents will be unsealed on February 17th, including opinions from Ripple's legal counsel as to whether XRP was a security. As the notes become available to the public, legal experts out there will be much more able to ascertain the chances of a Ripple win. If at the time, Ripple executives learned that the risk of XRP being considered a security was close to certainty but still went through their unregistered securities offering, that is unlikely to garner much sympathy from the court. Either way, chances of an official legal win or loss are slim, as most cases in the US federal courts settle, including litigations involving Ripple Labs or the SEC. The most probable resolution is a settlement, and that hasn't changed since the beginning. What will happen to XRP? In case of a win, US crypto exchanges are likely to relist XRP, and there's potential for a new dynamic in the market, as XRP may become the only crypto asset with regulatory clarity in the jurisdiction. Garlinghouse and Ripple investors have signaled the intention of going public via IPO after the lawsuit. There's also a chance that the wider digital asset space will be saved from the SEC given the precedent-setting nature of the lawsuit. Finance Feeds has previously covered a potential Ripple lawsuit, but with the focus on the blockchain company, which could march on without XRP, according to CEO Brad Garlinghouse. In case of a loss, XRP itself is unlikely to be erased, as Ripple has no control over much of the stock, and an extremely high percentage of XRP holders are based abroad, where the SEC has no jurisdiction. The digital asset will remain delisted in US exchanges, but probably not in other countries, as no other regulators have shown signs of suing Ripple yet. Garlinghouse has previously mentioned the intention of moving its headquarters overseas in case of a loss. Singapore could be it. XRP Price Action. XRP was up by 0.10% to 81 cents. For the day ahead, XRP would need to avoid the days of 80 cents pivot to support a run at the first major resistance level at 86 cents. XRP will likely face plenty of resistance at Saturday's high, 85 cents. In the event of another breakout, XRP could test resistance at 90 cents before any pullback. The second major resistance level sits at 9,087 ten-thousandths of a cent. A fall through the day's 80 cents pivot would bring the first major support level at 75 cents into play. Barring an extended sell-off, however, XRP should steer well clear of the day's major support levels. That's it for today, guys. We will see you next time. Until then.